Hello everyone, myself Vidisha Vishwas and I'm a first year student of Technomen Software. Today I'm here to talk about the global pandemic caused by COVID-19. The whole world has come to a standstill and the reason is COVID-19. It's like all of a sudden we are part of a horror movie and the villain is COVID-19 is killing thousands of people and we are feeling helpless. The pandemic has turned our lives upside down. Even in our dreams, we couldn't have imagined confined to our house and unable to meet our friends and family. Reasonably, the situation has given us a chance to look at things differently. At first, some of us thought that it's a holiday, but now that it extended, we all got to understand the values of school and colleges. Even though our teachers are trying their best to provide us with study materials and teaching us through online platforms, but it's not the same. Some of the students who live in rural areas are having network issues and due to their network issues, they can't even attend online classes. So that's a big issue for all the students out there. In the next video, we'll show how a student who lives in a rural area is having network issues and because of that, he can't even attend his online classes.
What are you doing?
Dad, my online classes started, so I'm trying to attend those. Oh, why does my network get always disconnected during my online classes?
What happened, son? Why are you yelling?
Dad, I can't attend my online classes because of this poor internet connection. And if it's connecting, that's too much poor to understand anything.
Why are you making too much noise? Please keep quiet and attend your class.
Why are you scolding my child? He is doing his online classes. He has to get interacted with the teachers and answer them.
So students, has everybody understood today's class?
Yes, sir.
I couldn't understand anything because of my poor internet connection. At first I couldn't attend my joint entrance exam and now I can't even attend my online classes, all because of this pandemic.
Don't worry, son. Everything will be alright. Today, I will ask your father to bring you a better internet connection. And for today's class, you can take help from your friends.
Hello everyone, myself Amishwar and I am a first year student of Technomen Software. Here you have seen the issues facing by students due to online classes. In this time, we can see that in rural areas, to the poor network connection, many of the students are facing these types of problems. Now, in the coming story, we can see the problem those faced by a businessman who had a great loss due to this problem.
Please try to understand, our company has suffered a big loss. I am trying to pay you all your salaries, so please give me some time to manage. Friend, can you help me? My company has suffered a big loss and this time I am unable to provide salary to all my workers on time.
What's wrong, Dad? Why are you so worried?
Yes, son. We had a great loss in our business. Honestly, I don't know what to do.
Don't worry, Dad. I think I can help you.
Really? How?
You see, in this situation, the online business are growing exponentially while offline business are facing losses.
So, what do you think I should do now?
You can post picture of your products online and wait for social media do the rest.
Wow, it's quite easy. Thank you, son.
Let's start your journey. Dad, how is your business going? Did you recover a little from your huge loss?
Yes, beta, your idea was great. I recovered more than half of my loss. Thank you.
As you see, these businessmen retain all their losses by improving their business from offline to online. So, never lose your hope in any condition and always try to improve yourself and always give your best in positive direction. Here, if that businessman loses their hope, then he never be able to retain their all losses. Now, the next chapter is of the senior citizens. They all are locked in the home. They all doesn't able to move outside. Now, the next chapter is of senior citizens who all are facing this pandemic. they all are unable to move outside. They are feeling locked in their homes. However, they find their happiness with their family in home. Now, let's see.
What's wrong?
I can't stay any longer doing nothing. I miss going out, miss my friends, and all my team partners.
I know this is frustrating for all of us, but our families together after a long time.
Yes, I am grateful for that. And I try to be happy, but I just can't. But going out would kill me, so I am staying here.
You will be fine with us. Just try to enhance your old hobbies and spend time with your grandchildren.
Yes, you are right. This is the right time for me to recollect my hobbies and spend time with my grandchildren while I can. And of course, I would learn how to use that smartphone from.
Hey Grandpa, Grandma told me that you wanted to learn how to use smartphones.
Yes, of course. I want to learn that thing. Come here and teach your old man how that thing works.
So here, how it works.
Oh, actually I can use this thing. Thank you, beta.
Wow, Dad, you are showing some great interest in smartphones. It's great that we will get some time to spend together. It's something really great during the pandemic.
At the end of this video, I would like to thank everyone who took part in it. Our fellow students who did a wonderful job by their acting skills. I would like to thank Amrit Raj, who did a wonderful leadership throughout the whole video making process, and Astitva Kumar for editing this video. And Marjita Di, I would like to thank you because you helped us and guided us through the whole video making process. And at the end, I would like to add that this pandemic is not the end of the world. We'll see the new sun very soon. I'm hopeful for that. And we'll have our freedom very soon. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.